Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get alpha egg in Uggful Guide. Open the underground grotto immediately, equip a torch and at least 3 healing potions, and follow bioluminescent fungus markers to avoid traps and dead ends. Move slowly, listen for echoes, and mark your path with chalk so you can find the merchant and the nesting chamber where the alpha egg appears. To trigger the spawn, gather 5 luminescent scales from cave wyverns, then head to the Eastern Cavern merchant and trade them for the nesting key. Use that key on the sandstone altar in the nesting chamber, clear nearby hostile mobs, and wait out the 12-minute spawn timer while staying within the designated circle to ensure the alpha egg will appear without interruption or accidental despawn. In this video, I will explain how to get alpha egg in Uggful Guide. Quick recommendation. If you enjoy relaxed reading between runs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite for easy reading anywhere, especially during long waits. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. Look in the description for the Kindle link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. When the alpha egg appears, place it into your portable incubator set to 3.5% warmth. Avoid fighting nearby to prevent accidental harm, and deploy the escort charm to stabilize the egg during transit. Move steadily to your base using covered routes, check incubator integrity every 5 minutes, and ensure the egg remains in shade to maintain optimal hatch probability and avoid sudden temperature spikes that can ruin your efforts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.